Okay, folks, today we have this padlock. It is a Corbin ASSA Abloy, never heard of it, and I've numbered this number OB. This is a very small lock, and sadly I cannot go bottom of the key tensioning because my tools don't fit, and I'm not very comfortable with top of the key tensioning, but here we go anyway. Now here, I don't even know if I'm handling this tensioning tool correctly because it feels so odd. Anyway, number one feels free. Number two is binding. Almost, I don't know. Number three felt binding, but it's very slight. Number four is binding, but I'm touching them very slightly, and yet something happens. Number one back again, it is binding. Touched very slightly, these two. Number two, binding. Click. Number three was free. Number one is binding again. Probably I didn't set it right before. Number two feels set. Number three feels set. Number four feels set. I'm tensioning too high probably. One, two. Okay, something clicked in number three. All right. Okay. This, I'm afraid it is not one of my best specialties. Probably because I don't feel comfortable with top of the key tensioning. I must train myself more on this. And this was a very small Yale style keyway, and I still need to get my new hook, which will be very much thinner. Anyway, this is it for today.